Where does the name for Prenol come from? So today I'm at the foot of a hill which I can't seem to find a way up, just north of Bodnant Gardens in Conwy County, and it's called Prenol. Let's get into the name. So there's two meanings for the word Prenol. The first one is from pren as in a bush. We have pren and then we have ol, which is an adjective ending. So it could mean something like bushy or hedgy. I'm not sure. Now the second option is that it's from the word prenol, meaning a chest, a wooden chest or a casket. Now that's quite possible. It could be to do with the shape of the hill, but I'm actually not sure with this one. So let me know in the comments which one you think it is, unless you've got a third option which is completely correct that I've missed. It happens sometimes. I tell a lie, I have found a way up to the top of it. I was walking north of Bodnant Gardens along the road and I got to the A470 and I thought, I'm going to die if I walk along the side of this road. The car's going very fast and there's not much space. So I've turned back and then gone round one of the more uphill routes around the back of it to Penthravel into Glenconwy. And I've stumbled across the top of it. So isn't it nice when things don't work out sometimes? So the name either means bushy or casket. Anyway, diolch, thank you. Give us a like, give us a share and give us a subscribe, and if you want to support me on my quest, nay, my pilgrimage, to explain every place name in Wales and a couple outside of it as well, you can on my Patreon. The link is in my description. Diolch, have a good one.